Or here, there's a big hole here in the back.
Silent place. This is the water pathway. So the water has cut the rock, basically, you know. So because of the flow of the water.
Found out the big one.
This one?
It's okay without.
This one? I didn't like it. Yes!
短い方から。
Too short?
Yeah, the short one. That is all ball binding land. That is microsolar land. so the concept of this layout is more of using Hakkai stones, and it's more of a typical Japanese river idea. So where the water is flowing from the back, which is a narrow pathway, and leading out into a big river. Try to take a few ideas from Yakushima Island, so the wood and the moss, but I created a little more rich and lively, so it looks, more better. I think the coming up with the concept idea to have to do an aquascape in the gallery is the most difficult part. So, and because you've not seen the layout material, you don't know what you can do. Something very unique in the gallery. This layout is something very unique in the gallery at this point of time. Using Hakkai and decorate La Plata sand makes it gives a very different synergy to the whole aquarium. In most layouts that Amara-san has created, we use Hakkai stone with full carpet of plants. So I think the biggest challenge was to come up with something different and something unique, and still have the Amara style.